The United States government poisoned its own citizens on purpose. It was 1926. Prohibition was failing. Bootleggers were stealing industrial alcohol and selling it as liquor. So the Treasury Department made a decision. They ordered manufacturers to add methanol to industrial supplies. Methanol is antifreeze. It destroys the nervous system. It causes blindness, then death. Officials knew bootleggers would redistill it. They knew people would drink it. They did it anyway. 10,000 Americans died, maybe more. The numbers were never fully counted. When reporters asked about the bodies, federal officials had an answer ready. They said the victims chose to drink illegal alcohol. They said they brought it on themselves. It was in the policy documents, written, signed, approved. No official was ever investigated. No one was ever charged. The deaths were absorbed quietly into the noise of prohibition and then forgotten. The people who wrote the order lived out their full lives. Nobody ever explained who made the final call. Follow Midnight Whisper. A new dark secret drops tonight at 7.